Okay, good day guys. How have you guys been doing? So our topic today is how to plot bearing and distance on survey plan boundaries. So I'm going to teach you guys how to put bearing and distance on survey plan boundaries. Okay, so let's just assume that this is the boundary. This is the boundary of our survey plan. So let me I've done the bearing and distance initially, so let me delete them and show us how to put the bearing and distance. So please listen attentively. So if you are to build this from the scratch, so we come to this left panel here, left side, this left icons here. Let me delete this too. So okay, come to this left side of the interface. You can see the last icon that they wrote A. Click on it, then drag, click. You will left click and drag it and then click it, so that it will now bring you, it will display an interface where you can type what you want to type. Okay, so let's just assume 98 degrees. There is no degree here, so let me show you how to put degrees. So come to this, look at this arrow here at the top right corner of this lettering interface. Look at this arrow here, click on the arrow, then look for symbol. You can see symbol, then click on symbol, click on order, slow down. What's wrong? Okay, that's loaded it. So look for the degree symbol. Okay, I think this is it, degree. Yeah, so click on select, then copy. So if you copy it, then it will automatically copy to your system's memory. Then you come here and paste it. Can you see now? Simple. That's 98 degree. Then we only deal with degrees and minutes, not in for seconds. So let's assume 50 seconds. So that one is on your keyboard keys. Click on it. So that's it. Then our distance, let's say 78 meters. Okay, so bring everything to the center here, align it, times normal. Okay, good. You can change the size, change anything you want to change. Let's make this 1.5. No, it's too big. Let's make it 1. Okay, so before you can know the bearing and distance of each line, you have to press in this prompt, distance. So you can just press D high on your keyboard, then press either enter or back or spacebar, enter. So it will ask to specify first point. So let's say you want to know the bearing and distance between this first line, and this line. Just click on the first point A, and then second point, then automatically it will load your distance. You can see now it wrote 23.64 meters, and then 90 degree, 55 minutes, 56 seconds. If you mistakenly clear this, you can just come downwards here, and just drag this one up here, so you can see all the numbers, all the bearing and distance, all the figures. So let's copy our distance. Our distance is 23.64. Copy this. paste it here. 3.64. Then our bearing is 90 degree 55 minutes 56 seconds. So you can approximate this 56 seconds to make it 56 minutes. Instead of writing 90 degrees 55 minutes, just write 90 degrees 56 minutes. 90 degree 56 minutes. So that is how to build your bearing and distance from the scratch. So you can just move it here. Since you know the bearing, you can just right click on it, go to properties, then change the rotation. You can see change the rotation to 90 degree 56 minutes, so that the projection, the rotation will be exactly on the line. Change it to 90/56, then enter. You can see now, just little change, but makes it more perfect. So make sure your distance is inside the boundary and your bearing is outside the boundary. So just adjust. Okay, I think we're good. So that is how to build it from the scratch. So let me show you guys a very fast shortcut. If you know you are in a hurry and you don't have the time to create from the scratch, just next time just click the D high directly, the distance D high, enter, then pick from your point A to your point B. So it has shown all the figures here, so just copy everything, I mean from the distance all to the bearing, then copy, right click, copy, and just come here and paste on the interface of the AutoCAD. Paste. So can you see, guys? Can you see? So just double click and edit. No need of creating from the scratch if you are in a hurry. Can you see now? Put these meters and erase all these ones. Eraser, yeah. Make this one 56, then cut this one because the distance will be beneath. Good, but you can see that bring everything to the center. Bring it to the center. You click here. Okay, but you can see now that our 90, the degree that they gave us here is just D. So I think we have known how to change, how to input degrees into AutoCAD now. So let me do it again here. Erase the D, come here, the right corner and the right side of the interface, click this arrow that is pointing down. You see displaying one option, options, click on it, then scroll down to orders. Okay, symbol, click on symbol. Okay, I think, okay, symbol, then scroll down to order, and so now look for the degree symbol. Can you see degree? Then select, then copy, and come back here and paste it. Very good. So you can see now that our bearing and distance is now perfectly okay. So the same way we did it here, that's the same way you will do it for this side of the boundary, or this side of this boundary too, and for this side of the boundary, for it to make a perfect bearing and distance for your survey plan. Thank you guys very much, and please subscribe, follow me for you to get more of this interesting and educative video. Thank you so much.